Welcome dear creatives. In this video I'll be showing you how to make fascinator using feathers. I have my feather here already and I'm simply going to cut out some parts of my feathers to form a feather flower. Okay, so just keep watching and learning. It's quite easy to understand.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this.
So as you can see, I'm simply forming the feather flower first. So if you want to know how I got to make the beautiful feather fascinator, you need to watch till the end. So if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on my weekly videos. I drop a new video every Wednesday by 3 p.m. Now, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. So now I'm arranging my feather flower. I'm trying to bend them so I'll form a proper feather flower. Next, I'll start forming the feather fascinator using the feather flower. So keep watching and learning. Remember to practicalize.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
So I'm using my decorative cord to wrap up and cover up the wire that I used. You can also decide to cover up everything, including one color all through if you want. But sometimes I prefer to allow my Alice band to be black or leave my Alice band at black color, because by the time you wear it on your head, it's you most likely will not get to see the Alice band. You'll basically see more of the fascinator. But when you use the color, for instance, if I had wrapped up my Alice band to give me a blue color with a blue color, it will be showing blue on my hair. I don't know if you get it, but basically I prefer to have my Alice band in black color. So I'm simply going ahead with my fascinator that I'm making. I need to let you know that I did not copy this fascinator from anywhere. In fact, most of my designs, I formed them myself. Like, in fact, it was when I picked these materials that I decided to have it this way. So, if you want to be as creative as I am, if you want to be able to make beautiful fascinators without copying others, if you want to stand out with your fascinator making, just ensure you join my class. I'm doing a 2 weeks intensive training. The link is in the comment section. and also in the description box. Do well to join the training.
And I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
So can you see how beautiful our fascinator is? This fascinator is actually a two-in-one fascinator. You can bend it downwards, this particular part that I'm holding. You can also um take it up whichever way you want it to be. You can bring it to the side.